So welcome back again. So if you have made it this far to question number 15, then you are actually on the right path clearing your CKAD exams. So if you don't know me, I am the founder of CodeJanitor and I'm also recently CKAD certified, and my main mission is to also help you clear the exams without over preparing. So without further much ado, let's jump right into solving question number 15. So with question number 15, it says in namespace default, there is a pod that exists called winter. Now we need to save the logs of this winter pod into this test file. So first of all, let's go to our practice environment, and then let's check if the pod exists. So it's called winter. So get pod, and then say winter. Remember to use the tab so that you can be very fast during the exams time instead of just typing everything by yourself. But if you're a fast typer, then you can go ahead and do that, but I don't see any reason why you should not use the tab. So now we can see that we have the pod winter. So let's get the logs. So get logs, and then the name of the pod, say winter. Okay, tab doesn't seem to work for me. Not get log, it's logs, not, remember logs. Okay, logs winter, and then the tab will work now. So now we can see we have the logs for this one. So I'll clear the screen and then I'll run the same command. Now we need to output it to a file, so we need to output it to this file path. So in order to output it to this file path, you just have to use the greater than sign to output a test to a file. So I will just copy and paste the file path here, and then basically that's it. I'll run it. Now we are done. So let's verify if we have the logs in that file. So cut, and then we will cut this log.txt file. So I'll cut it, and then we can see that we have all the data there. So that's nice. Clear the screen. Now let's check moment of truth. Let us check our work and see if everything works correctly. So check. So it's question number 15 we just did. Boom. Now we can see we have question number 15 successfully passed. So good job. Now clear the screen again. That's it for this lesson. So if you want the same files that we are using to make this practice test, then you can actually get it in the link is down in the description. Don't forget to also subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and see you in the next one.